So I just wanted to take a quick look at this pen from MonAmi. This is a Korean company. I believe they've been around since the 60s. And this is like their iconic design. It's called the MonAmi, that's the brand. And then the 153 is the model. And this is it. It's very simple. No clip, full plastic body, retractable. You push this little thing to pop it out. And it's just really, really light. There's like nothing to this. It's as simple and as cheap as a pen could get. I've heard they're all over the place in Korea, but they're not something you see very commonly in the US. You can buy them. 12 pack sells for like $6 or $7 on Amazon, and I'm sure they're available from other places. Again, just so full plastic body, no clip, plastic button, plastic end piece. This unscrews, and there's just kind of a spring and a cheapo ballpoint cartridge. This is a sort of pen you'd find at an office, or just kind of throw in your bag and just not even think about. In fact, this one has been in my bag, my laptop bag for work, for a couple of years now, and it always works. It writes on everything, and if you need, a pen when you're at the post office, it's always there for you. Recently, though, I saw this pen, and this is obviously very similar in design. It's also a MonAmi 153, but this one has a full metal body, and it weighs at least 3 times what the MonAmi weighs. You can see the label. This is from the retailer. I got it here in New York. The MonAmi 153 White, also 0.7 millimeter. It's a pen. $12, so it can cost as much as 12 of these. Actually, twice as much as 12 of these, as much as like 24 or 22 of these. So hugely inflated price, but that said, it's kind of a beautiful pen, and I decided to pick it up. And what this is, it's called the Moname White. It's from the Moname White and Black series. And what they did was they got this like really cool, really classic design, and they moved it from an all plastic to a metal body with a metal button, metal retraction mechanism. And I don't think this end piece is metal. I think that's plastic. But basically they made a super premium version of it. And then you could see the all the markings, the MonAmi. They went to a white on white, and then this cool matte body. It's sort of like the MoMA, or like the high design edition of this old pen, which is super cool. The other thing they did, in addition to making all metal components, which obviously sound and feel a lot better, the other thing they did is, if you open it up, I guess the front is metal. Sorry about that. So it's coated metal, and we can see from those threads right there. Spring is stuck in there, which is nice. Anyway, what I was saying is the other thing they did is they moved over to a G2 style refill. It's the MonAmi branded, really nothing too special from it, but you can easily upgrade this, obviously, and get your a really nice easy fill or Schneider or whatever refill in here. So now you could transform this pen into just a really great writer, whereas with this one, you're kind of stuck, which you have that cheapo ballpoint refill. And I just have the stock cartridge in here, so there's really, it just writes the way it does when I bought it. But we'll do a quick demo, just the same. And this is the MonAmi 153 standard, which is a very normal ballpoint. Here's the click mechanism. Kind of very plasticky and light. Now here is the MonAmi 153 White. A little bit hard to tell, but the white definitely has a higher end ink. It's a lot smoother, a better line, kind of a darker, deeper black. and just kind of writes a lot more nicely. Sound much better. And then on the aesthetic front, obviously, it's very cool with the all white and the white on white logo. It's just like super designy and minimalist. And the sticker should come off no problem. Yeah, usually the place where I bought it uses they're pretty good about stickers. A little bit of adhesive there, but it'll wipe right off. It kind of, if you rub it, it sort of pills off, and there's almost no residue left. And there you go. Fully clean pen. So that is the MonAmi 153. Again, this is the 60s iconic pen, or at least the pen companies from the 60s. I believe this design is from then. And here is the newer model. I'm not sure when this is from. It doesn't seem to say online, but it is very cool. A little bit expensive for what it is, but also quite interesting. Thanks for watching.